Hello, hello, beautiful peoples! Hi guys! I'm back! May hawak na naman. So, definitely, magbubukas tayo ng Salamat Shopee. So, ito yung second na order ng transparent, nude, socks. Silipin muna natin para safe. Oh! Okay. Nice. Oh. Ilan ba to? So, this costs 79 pesos. 79 pesos. And it's all stockings. Ilang pairs ba to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, alam nyo na, meron siyang pagbabagayan. And, tulad na sabi ko, kailangan talagang may ganito. Kasi, in preparation for the upcoming mamaya. I-unbox ko yun. So, I like the quality. Mas maganda to kaysa sa nauna. The other one was 74. Pero manipis yun and very transparent. This one is sakto lang and para siyang parang medyas style talaga. Hindi siya stockings. As you can see naman, as you can see, okay. Makapal yung kanyang nylon. Ano ba tawag dito siya? Tela. Cloth. Yung. So, that's all muna. For the next ko lang. So, I'm happy with my Salamat Shopee. Okay. Maganda yung quality ng materials ng stockings or socks na ito. So, that's all muna for today, guys. Join me again on my next unboxing video. Thank you for watching. Enjoy the rest of the day. And as always, from my little world to yours. Love, love, love. God bless everyone.